Okay, so I'm going to open up the back of the dollhouse so that we can take a look at the sister's bedroom. Okay, so as we enter the sister's bedroom for Anna and Izana, we can start at the front of the room and you can see some of their toys. They do have some Etzenberger wooden animals. I can see that there are 2 pigs and 2 cows and 2 horses. I do have a collection of these Etzenberger wooden animals. I think I have somewhere between 38 and 40 of them, pretty much in the same as this size. Maybe half of them are smaller than these. And I think I would like to make a video and show those to you. I think you would enjoy seeing those. As we move over, you can see that the sisters have a toy trunk, and they have one of their dolls that they play with here in the trunk. And they also have a lot of their books all over the house, and they have a lot of them in their bedroom as well. As we move back here, you will see that there is a chest, a very elaborately decorated chest. On top, you will see that there is a hat box, and then a silver box with a turquoise escutcheon on top of that, and also the candlestick with the candles that I make. You can check out that video which shows you how I make them. Back here, you will see one of the lithograph bird cards that is throughout the dollhouses. And then you can see that Anna is sitting in a old chair. She also has some ABC blocks that her and her sister play with. They have a bed warmer here. And then we can see their bed. This is a tester bed. And it has a little cover that goes over the top of it, this textile fabric that goes over the hard area of the tester bed. And I will be putting the bed in the photos at the end so that you can see it. On the mattress, which is a horsehair filled mattress like their mother's, there is a coverlet that's made out of a silk embroidery, and she has another cover on top of that. And then as we move over to this side of the room, you will see that there is another lithograph painting above their dresser. The dresser has a mirror for them. And then some more books and a candlestick and candle. And if you notice that this side of the room has wallpaper, the other side is just painted in the green color, which is mostly all the rooms upstairs have the green color. And then if we move over here, you can see their tall chest that they keep their clothes and items in. And on top of the chest, you'll see that Anna has her hand warmer that was previously shown and talked about in one of the early videos that was done. So let me take the camera around without talking, and you can see the room one more time, and make sure you see the photos at the end, because I am going to be taking the items out and photographing them so that you can see them better. You'll want to see the chest and the tester bed especially. So I'm going to take the camera around and let you see. So let me move Anna out, and there's a couple of items. Actually, just one item. They do have a chamber pot underneath the bed. And there is their chandelier, which is similar to the other chandeliers in the house. It has the antique beads with the feathers at the top of the chandelier. Okay, so let's take a look at the photos of some of the items in their room. I also wanted to mention the carpet, which is in the sister's bedroom, which is very similar to the carpets throughout the house, which it's done in a silk embroidery. And this one goes all the way from the front all the way to the back. And I'll make sure that I take that out and show a photo of that as well. You will probably like to see that, you know, which each sides of the carpet. So here is the children's bedroom set. You can see the chest over here. And what's really unique about it is at the top up here, let me get my pointer, you will see that the corners stick out. And that was so that, I guess in the adult size world, they would put their candles there, which seems kind of silly, especially if it would fall off. But I have read that. Not sure if it's true, but I just thought it was unique that the corners do stick out. And here is the children's toy chest. And again, they're tall chest of drawers for their clothing. And the chair that sits in their bedroom. And you can now see that the chair has this engraving, sort of looks like a flower, and then the stem, and then the leaves. And then their little dresser with the mirror. Then I wanted to show you the tester bed. So if I take off the top, you can see that it has another top, which is, this is all very hard. So it has a fabric that's put over top of it, and then that matches the fabric that goes on top of it. Then, as I had told you, they have a coverlet. This is a coverlet that's over top of their silk embroidery coverlet. And then they have their very thick horsehair mattress underneath. This is crocheted. I couldn't think of the name, but their little crochet coverlet that goes over top. But their bed is very similar to their parents'. The difference is this one has the top. Their parents just has the side that goes up, and then there's a textile that's just draped over top of it. Well, I wanted to say thank you so much for watching the video, and press the subscribe button and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, so that the channel can keep growing and inspire more people. And as always, thank you to all of our subscribers and everyone that leaves a comment. It really means a lot. Until I see you next time, goodbye.